Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications every time someone interacts with your Facebook page's cover photo, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable notifications on your page cover photo using the latest Facebook update for PC. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. At the top of the Facebook homepage, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a menu where you can access all the pages you manage. Select the page where you want to manage notifications. Once you're on your page, look for your cover photo, the large banner image at the top. Click directly on the cover photo to open it in a larger view. Underneath the cover photo, you'll notice 3 dots. This is the options menu. Click on the 3 dots to reveal more settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Turn off notifications for this post. Once you select this option, you'll immediately stop receiving notifications for any new likes, comments, or other interactions on that specific cover photo post. That's it. You've now successfully disabled notifications for your page's cover photo post. This is especially useful if you want to keep your notifications focused on more important updates, rather than every interaction with your cover image. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you update your cover photo and want to keep your notifications clutter-free. If you ever change your mind, you can always turn notifications back on by following the same steps and selecting the appropriate option. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make your Facebook experience even better.